I live in a box. I live in a box. Help me! I'm gonna check out the other apps. Oh, gracious me. Oh, gracious me. Choose something else. Oh, the phone's gonna make you take a bit of a nap. You're telling me that sounds right. Yeah. No. Being liquidated. No. No. There's nothing to do. Watch the X-Files for a while. Read the directions. So... Watch the X-Files for a while. Put it back. Yeah, put it back. I don't get it. Hold it steady. I'm gonna snooze for a while. Boring. I want to put it back. It's not good. I like band-aids by the truckload. Oh, hi, Chihuahua. You're killing me. Let me out of here. You're quite the gay bird, aren't you? This is not what I meant. I don't like pruning. I don't like sharp things. Ow. I don't need pruning. So, no. Help me! I'm out! Whoa! I was trying to go for a couple of minutes. Help me! That's not good. I'm gonna check out some of the other apps, alright? Ouch! Oh, the phone's steady. No. Can you hold the phone steady? I'm gonna snooze for a while. Might want to put that back. Ow! No. Make believe instead. Mind if I catch a nap here? I need a... no. It's a rock! That's not good. So...